Power Ranch has it all, and now so can you. This neighborhood is one of the most loved in the East Valley. Come visit and you'll see why. Charming tree-lined streets, 2 catch and release fishing lakes, gorgeous clubhouses for your private events, fitness centers, playgrounds, sport courts, local restaurants, and honestly, that's just scratching the surface. Now, let's talk about this home with 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a split floor plan. You've got options. Whether it's multi-gen living, a home office, or a guest space. The open kitchen is where it's at, featuring a huge island, walk-in pantry, and even a built-in coffee bar. Perfect for those busy mornings and slow weekend starts. Step outside into not 1, but 2 patios and a sparkling pool ready to beat the Arizona heat. Whether you're hosting a get-together or relaxing after a long day, this backyard has your name on it. And get this, 2 brand new AC units just installed. So not only are you buying space and comfort, you're getting peace of mind. Power Ranch isn't just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. And this home, it's the perfect way to live it. So don't wait. This one truly checks all of the boxes. Contact us today to schedule your private tour.